Let's add some school spirit to this because it's going to be a great day.
In our Monday morning meetings, many terrific things happen. And if you get wind of Monday morning meetings, please come, because you'll see our Corbett Prep community of students and teachers and staff all together, building community and respect.
They had a 12-game winning streak where they won 12 straight games in a row.
And if you were a cast or crew member of Once on the Island, would you please stand?
Could I have the green team stand up, please? Green team.
When we honor people, we learn to honor as a powerfully positive audience, how to applaud with sincerity, how to be happy for each other's success, how to be part of a whole community and feel pride for each other and ourselves as being part of this community.